Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, we are going to explore the LBD tool in Kali Linux. It is used to detect the load balancer in a network. So let's get started with this video. So now let's understand what is a load balancing. Load balancing is a method that helps websites run faster by sharing the traffic across the multiple servers. To understand this topic properly, let's take an example. Whenever it is a result time, then you might be have noticed that that website does not open properly. The reason might be that the multiple user are accessing that website due to that the that server is not able to handle that request. Like server have some kind of a limit. If there is a more number of that limit, and then the server is not able to handle that limit. Due to that, it might be being as a DOS or DDoS attack. You can simply understand that. To what will be solution for this? The solution will be simply if that the server is using the load balancing, then it can handle the multiple requests at the same time. Like in load balancing, if the multiple requests are been sent, then the load balancer will separate that request in multiple server. But if that website is not using the load balancer, then all the requests are will be sent in the only one server. Hope you have understood this load balancing concept. So now we will be performing as a practical in Kali Linux. In Kali Linux, there is a predefined tool LBD. So with the help of LBD, we can simply find that if that website is using the load balancing or not. So as you can see on the screen, I'm in my Kali Linux, and whenever you go to the menu, you can see the information gathering and the IDS and IPS identification, and there you can find the LDS load balancer. So now let's zoom the screen. So the command is we will going to write the sudo lbd, and we are performing on the google.com. So I have written that domain and I have entered the sudo password name. Then as you can see, it is start checking the load balancer in the Google. So it take quite a bit of a time. So as you can see on the screen, it started sending the request to the google.com, and it takes quite few minutes of time to send that request. It is actually checking it is sending the multiple requests so that the request is received or not. So as you can see on the screen, the load balancer is found that the Google is using the load balancing. That means whenever you are performing a DOS or DDoS, as you can see on the screen, there is a message like a found. That means Google is using the LBD, load balancing servicing. So hope you have liked this video. For more videos, subscribe to my channel.